decided for Christmas I was going to do some work to her truck. Hey guys, good morning. It is Thursday, and gonna do some work on my wife's truck today, sort of as a surprise for Christmas. She's out of town visiting family down in Florida, and so today I'm gonna take her truck and get some stuff done to it. So a little bit of the backstory. It's a 2019 Toyota four-wheel drive TRD Offroad package, and we've had it for a few months now, and she's pretty excited. She's like I am, she's a car person, so she's been excited about getting some wheels and tires done to it, and a lift kit. And so for Christmas, I've ordered a lot of things for her. So the wheels are in, the tires are in, the lift kit is going to be installed today. I've also got a bed cover for it, and then a blackout kit that goes over all the badges and emblems. I was going to get the windows tinted. I actually had an appointment set up with a window tint company, and then I found out that she's having some difficulty seeing as it is out of the windows, so I decided not to tint the windows and keep her safe. But so real quick, here's what the truck looks like prior to us doing this package for her. So there you go, you can see a 2019 Toyota four-wheel drive. It's in the gray. We both like gray. It's pretty loaded out. It's got leather interior, heated, and I think it's just heated seats, navigation, and the moon roof. It came equipped with the Nerf bar steps that you see there. Really the only thing I don't particularly like about the Toyota, the off-road package, is if you look at the fender flares are that black vinyl look rather than being the color match. I would prefer them be color matched, but this was supposed to be the second to the top of the line truck. Top of the line would have been the TRD Offroad Pro. The other thing I don't like is the chrome bumper on there. I just think it would look better monochromatic. And then of course, if you look at the Tacoma emblems up there on the side there, we've got the package to black those things out. I actually would prefer to remove them from there, but she likes them, and so they will stay on the truck. So here we go, we're off, and I'll give you a little walk around. Planning on doing this grill as well, but the thing has got one of those packages that avoids you, whatever that thing is called, where you it sets the distance between you and the vehicle in front of you, so there's a little more to changing the grill than just snapping in and snapping it out. But we're going to go up today, go to UPS, pick up the wheels because I had them held there, and we'll go on up to, here we go, little inside truck. Better turn this off. I will violate some sort of copyright there, but you can see leather interior. It's a little dirty in here. Hopefully it'll be warm enough that we can, that I can detail it out before she gets back here. But there you go, there's inside her truck. So here we go. Alright, so I'm over here at UPS now. As you may recall, when I first ordered the rims, they were supposed to be here at the very last minute. So they're supposed to be here on Friday before I went out of town. I was hoping they'd get here soon enough, and to my amazement, to my surprise, they've come a little bit early, so we're actually getting them one day early. I'm here at UPS now to pick them up, so if everything goes well, we're going to pick them up today and take them and get them installed. Okay, you guys.
Stay warm.
Hello.
You too.
Good, how are you?
Have a good day. So how can we help you?
Need a pickup wheel or pick up a pack, or actually it'll be 4 packages.
Okay, what's the...
Ooh, all right, so picked up the wheels, ready to go get them installed now. So things are working out pretty well today. We'll see how it finishes up. What do you think, Jason? Look good?
Yeah, nasty. TRD wheels look good.
You like those?
Yes.
Looks nice, doesn't it?
Sure with that. It is lifted.
New wheels and tires?
Wheels and tires.
Very, very nice. I like those. I like those wheels.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I did learn through the process of cleaning this thing that we need to get it paint correction done to it, because there's all this stuff on it that needs to come off of there. Need to be clay barred at least.
Oh wow. Very nice, baby. Thank you.
So
I had a feeling.
3-inch
You were
lift.
playing it too cool.
I did clean the garage.
Yeah, you had to. It
It does look good, doesn't it?
does look good. I like them. I like them a lot. Beautiful. Now it looks like a real truck.
And then we've got the Tacoma badges black out.
Cool.
I was
But
going to tint the windows
forgot
for you.
to put Godspeed across.
Yeah, I was running out of time. So I was going to tint the windows for you. I actually had an appointment to tint the windows, and then you said, I can barely see out of it now. I don't want to tint the windows. I was like, so I canceled the appointment.
Yeah, I don't know that I'm worried about tinted windows. I think it's fine. Very nice, baby. Thank you.
Yeah, so I got you the Toyo. These are Toyo AT Open Countries. These are a little more expensive tires, but I got you these because they're supposed to be ride the best, be the most quiet. So, and it rides nice. This thing, if you remember when we had the Ram 2500 lifted, remember how it would vibrate, and took us like 3 or 4 shots to get it corrected. This one rides nice at 80, 85 miles an hour.
You know what?
Yeah.
You done? I think
You
we can
like
take
it?
it for a ride.
You like it? Well, we got to put all the stuff on there for you. Yeah.
You gonna do that today?
No, I'm not going to. You're going to.
Okay.
The only thing I don't know that I like, I thought about getting, maybe it doesn't look too bad. I was going to get a spacer and kick the wheels out a little bit. See how the wheels are just really tucked under there? I thought about getting a spacer and kicking them out an inch.
A little tougher, wasn't it?
You know what I'm saying? Just pop them out just an inch. So that was one of my thoughts there. I was a little disappointed that they were tucked as much as they were tucked. Because every picture I've seen with those wheels on there, they always look cool, but
Yeah, I like that a lot.
you want to try getting into it?
Not on camera.
Oh, you need to get into it on camera.
Alright, if I can do a sledgehammer to a vehicle, I guess I can try getting into a truck. Voila!
Looks good, huh?
Yeah.
Significantly different to climb in and out of, though.
Yeah, but it's better because before you didn't know whether you really needed to step up or use
Yeah.
that, and now you know.
Yep.
Very nice, babe.
Give me those. bed cover on. So now she's wheels, tires, lift, bed cover. Now we got to do the blackout kit. That's next on our list of things to do. This thing goes on pretty easy. It's the Tyger. Not a real expensive one, but a little dirty in there. She complained already. There you go. It just clamps on there. So there we go. Alright, clean away.
I already cleaned it. Okay, I'll clean it again.
Make sure you get the edges of it good. There you go. Actually, it's really only sticking to the front anyways.
That's what I thought.
Yeah.
Okay. good.
Alright.
Here we go.
Well, you gonna put this on? There you go.
Is it supposed to stick right away or?
Yeah. It's double-sided tape. 3M tape.
Beautiful.
Mhm.
Doesn't feel like it's fitting right here. Is it on? This A feels funny. Oh, I guess it's on.